Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Joanne and I do unboxing videos. And today we're just going to be doing the Lovelula unboxing. And Lovelula is, you can buy this, you can get this sent international, or that's what you can do. You can have it 1 month, which is £19.95, recurring one, which is £14.95, or a 3-month one is £42.60, saving you 5% on that one. Or you can have 6 months, which is £80.70, and that's a saving of 10%. Or you can go for the annual subscription, which is £152, and that is a saving of 15%. So yeah, so let's just unbox this. If you just want to buy one box, it will cost you £24.95. Oh, I'm showing you my address. I don't want to show you that. So it's just a white box, first of all. That's what it comes in. And then we are just going to unbox it. Now, Lovelula is a natural sort of box, so there's no harsh chemicals usually in there. So this is the July box. I'm just going to take off that and put these like that. Okay, so it looks like we've got a little makeup bag, and that is quite nice. So it says melt your summer heroes, melt your summer heroes. So that's pretty, I like that. And so I'm just going to put that to one side, like so. Right, so this is the rest of the contents. It's in this box. So let's just have a look at this first of all. So it is Daphne's Personal Skincare Meet Your Summer Heroes Beyond Skin Deep. So this is like, I don't know what's in there, sorry if you can hear people, but I do live in a house where there's other people. I live with other people. I live with my family, so yeah, you're gonna hear them. And okay, I've got a bag full of goodies here. So this is an active mist. Is it going to show up? So there we go, active mist. And I'll just put that to one side, and then we'll have a look at them in a minute. A little play with them is what we do. So it's a Beyond Skin Deep. This is, there we go, is it going to focus? There we go. So that is a purifying cleanser, antioxidant, refreshing fusion. So there we go, and we've got a few more in here. I'm sure that that's an eye care one. And this is by Daphne's. And I must say, I do like this little bag that we've got. That's a nice makeup bag, and that is a Daphne's moisturizer in light. Right, so let's just pull out the items. So we've got a Madara Plum Plum Lip Perfection Balm. I do like a good lip perfection lip moisturising lip stuff, because I'm always getting dry lips. So that's going to be interesting. Oh, I've got something else in here that's quite good. I will leave that to last. Oh right, okay, so I've had this brand before, and it's Kathleen. She had, we got a nice bubble bath from Kathleen in one of these Lovelula boxes. I think it was about 3 months ago. But this is Kathleen Royal Leamington Spa Cleansing Lotion this time. That looks good, and it's made in the UK. So there we go. Right, okay, so the item, what I'm interested to see is a Skin Alchemist. Oh god, that is a lot of hard words. Alchemist. Oh, let you see it. You'll see what I mean by it being a big word. Right, I'm going to just go for it. I'm going to call it Skin Alchemists Sesame Chantwell LA Rose Facial Elixir. Right, okay, that was a mouthful, I must say. Right, so this beauty box, we've got the Madara Plump Lip Balm, which is what they are starting with on the leaflet. By the way, you can get 25% off the brands in this box. So if you just use the code July19BB, you will get 25% off. It's valid until the 10th of August 2019. There is a free phone number for them. It's 0800 731 1256, or you can just simply go to lovelula.com, and actually you could just stop this video and use the code if it's going to be nice and focus. So we'll give it a little chance to focus. Right, so okay, so we're going to start with the Madara Lip Balm, which is this one. And this is a plum lip balm. Intense rejuvenation and heavenly softness from the very first application. Use alone for a sheer finish or as a base for your favourite lipstick. Lips stay soft, protected and hydrated to perfection. Formulated with deeply moisturising jojoba oil and shea butter and repairing plum oil. Right, okay. So let's just have a look at this. And so that is what it looks like. There's no parabens, there's no petrochemicals in there, there's no synthetic fragrances, and it just says only pure ingredients for soft and kissable lips. Okay, so it's going to guarantee me kissable lips. Wow, that's something. So it looks like that, the tip end. Okay doke. I've already, before I put this video on, I've actually just put a moisturiser, tinted moisturiser on my lips. So, oh wow, it looks like a clear gel sort of substance. So I'm just going to, oh, it has a nice taste. Tastes a lot like honey actually. I like that taste. This really is moisturising. It's really good. I do like that. Thumbs up. It's a good item. Tastes nice and it just gets a thumbs up. I do like that item. I will put the price down of these products somewhere on the screen, so you'll get to find out about the price, whether you can go and purchase them. I'll purchase just this box. You know, it's a pretty good box, so it's always worthwhile to get a natural box. Right, so this is the Kathleen Natural Cleansing Lotion. And the cleanser will leave your skin feeling fresh, clean and soft without any dryness. This intelligent formula is packed with 6 active botanical ingredients, giving you a gentle, clean and instantly hydrate your skin. You will never feel too dry after face wash. Okay, so this is it just says, doesn't say anything about it being cruelty free, so I was looking for that. That's what I always look for. So, oops, I'm breaking it now. Right, so it comes in a nice bottle like that. That would look nice on your bathroom windowsill. Is it going to focus? No. Right, so let's just try it on my hand. So there it is. There's no scent actually at all. It's not really highly scented. There's no scent at all with that. So now I'm just going to rub it in. I'm actually going to just get a cloth because... Right, okay, so just as well I had a cloth handy. No, there's no scent with that much at all. It's a good item. It's not scented, highly scented, because I don't really like a lot of highly scented skincare products. So we're going to move on to the Skin Alchemist Apothecary Facial Elixir, which is this one. No, it's not that one. That's the eye cream. So this one is not it. I will get there in the end. So it is this one, which is the facial elixir, and this one is the Skin Alchemist Apothecary Sensory Facial Elixir. This is a tropical rainforest in a bottle. It's a sophisticated blend of 26 skin-loving elements combined to repair, nourish and rejuvenate the skin while calming sensitivity and relieving a lifted, brightened, glowing complexion. That's pretty good. What it's supposed to do. So it comes in a dropper bottle like that, and this is always good for the face. So you can actually just pop it onto your hands like that, and then what I normally do is I just rub them both together like that, and I just go like that. And it's super hydrating. Really is good. It does have a scent to it. It's hydrating though, and I'm just gonna actually show you it. Super hydrating, quite like that. Always good to get face oil. Face oils is better than moisturising creams because the oil gets to work really quicker than a cream will ever will. So there you go. And then we got the Daphne's Personal Skincare Summer Heroes set, where we got 4 best-selling products in the deluxe trial size, complete with the travel bag. So there is the travel bag to keep all of these in. Which we got Purifier Cleanse. I will get there in the end. So this is a antioxidant refreshing fusion cleanser. It comes like so in one of these. Just like that. I'm just gonna show you. Oh wow, that's come out. Lots of it has come out all at once. It's a reddish colour. So you watch, that will be quite a good item. This really is hydrating. That's always a plus. So, and this is a moisturizer, light rejuvenating skin uplift. This one is the rejuvenating skin one, and so okay, so I'm running out of arm space. So this is just like a really handy moisturising cream just to keep in the bag. That one has a light scent to it as well, so, and it's like super hydrating. I do like that. Okay, another good item. So then we're going to move on to this, which is the Active Mist. Does it tell you what the Active Mist is? No, it doesn't. Right, okay, so that is it. I'm just going to think of it like, it's just like a spray perfume that you would put in your bag. To tell you the truth, there is not much of a scent with it. Not much of a scent at all with that, so there it is. Is it going to focus? not highly scented. I think they could be just like a cooling down spray if you just want to spritz your face with it. So I think that's what it is. Right, so if you liked this unboxing, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!